This three-part tutorial introduces basic concepts and practices involved in the creation and management of government requirements for a commercial software acquisition. The requirement process starts when government agencies need to address shortcomings or challenges in their current operations or when new mission responsibilities emerge. Typically, someone believes that something can be done better, faster, cheaper, or with better results. In this tutorial, we will address the following key concepts. What are requirements? Why are they important? How the team approach is the best and most effective approach. How the requirements document is used throughout the acquisition lifecycle. Before anyone can authorize an investment in a solution, stakeholders must clearly define in a requirements document the problem and present it to the parties who can authorize the investment. Depending upon the size, scope, and complexity, the approval authority may reside in the agency or Component Chief Information Officer or CIO. In general, a requirements document needs to include the following core elements. Identify the issues, challenges, or shortcomings under the current scenario. Define the end goal of the system or the solution sought, and list the detailed functionality and capabilities needed to achieve the end goal. The term requirements will have a different definition depending on the viewpoint or role you are playing in the project. To an IT buyer outside the government, requirements are usually captured in one comprehensive document that explains the functions or capabilities a customer needs a system or software to perform. Many levels within the commercial organization approve this one document, and the commercial IT buyer attaches it to a request for quote or proposal. Sellers typically view the requirements document as the list of minimum performance specifications that their solution must meet. For most government buyers, requirements is a broad term that encompasses the various United States codes and statutes, regulations, policies, and procedures that might apply to their acquisition. Government buyers look to the Federal Acquisition Regulation, or FAR Part 11, describing agencies' needs, in order to select, develop, and maintain requirements documents throughout the life cycle of the acquisition. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will confine our requirements definition to the use of one document to capture all of a customer's needs. Requirements documentation is important for many reasons. A thorough requirements document will help determine many key decisions throughout the entire life cycle of the project. If requirements are poorly defined, it can lead to delays in the solicitation and award process and can result in costly claims and performance issues after the contract has been awarded. A best practice is to invest time and effort up front to document accurate requirements in order to avoid claims, disputes, scrap, or rework after the contract has been awarded. A respected military leader once said, "The best contract in the world cannot fix a poorly worded, underfunded requirement." In other words, if you don't know what you need, stop and figure it out before spending the taxpayers' money. Please refer to Part 2 and 3 of the Requirements tutorial for more information.